Hey guys, gonna take a look at my air conditioning condenser. It's been making noise and it didn't start up, and I noticed the fan wasn't spinning. This is what happens when you fail to cover it up in winter most of the time and you fail to lubricate the motor. Now, I replaced the motor once before and I'm gonna try to give it a shot to see if I can get this thing spinning, but soon I realized that these bearings are beyond redemption and I ordered up a new motor, which should solve the problem. Let's take a look at how it sounded like and why I chose to replace the motor. Okay, we're gonna go for some super oil. Master Mechanic. See what this does.